Daffodils or narcissus are some of the most resilient and rewarding perennials you can plant. They are famously deer-proof and rabbit-proof due to the lycopene in their bulbs, making them a staple for low-maintenance landscapes. To get the best blooms, timing and placement are everything. Plant the bulbs in the autumn, late September to November, once the soil has cooled but before it freezes. This allows them to establish roots before winter dormancy. Choose a spot with full sun to part shade while they can bloom under deciduous trees, since they finish flowering before the trees fully leaf out. They need at least 6 hours of sunlight to recharge for the next year. A good rule of thumb is to plant the bulbs 3 times as deep as the bulb is tall. Usually this is about 6 inches, and they require well-draining soil. Daffodils will rot if left with wet feet over the winter. If you have heavy clay soil, consider planting them in raised beds or adding compost to improve the drainage. Once they emerge in the spring, their needs are relatively simple. Water them during dry spells in the spring while they are actively growing and blooming. Use a low nitrogen, high potassium fertilizer like 5-10-10 when the shoots first emerge, and again after they finish blooming. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers, which encourage lush leaves but few flowers. And remove the faded flower heads where the flower was, the seed pod area, so the plant doesn't waste energy producing seeds. Leave the green stem intact. The most common mistake gardeners make is cutting the stem back too early, cutting the leaves back too early. Do not mow, cut, or tie the foliage into braids once the flowers fade. The leaves need to stay green for at least 6 weeks after blooming to photosynthesize and store energy in the bulb for next year's flowers. Once the foliage has turned completely yellow and withered, then you can trim it back. Some of the things that might go wrong is if you have healthy green leaves but no flowers, the bulbs may be overcrowded. Every 3 to 5 years you can dig them up and spread them out if you want. After the foliage dies back, divide the clumps and replace them. Drainage. If the bulbs fail to come up at all, likely they might be rotted due to soggy winter soil. Check your planting site's moisture levels before trying again. That is how to grow narcissus or daffodils. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.